Hi, today, pastors, leaders, I want to talk about the second part and give you a little bit more information on the spirit of Absalom. Here's a couple of points that you need to watch for concerning the spirit of Absalom that comes to frustrate your ministry and comes to bring down or tear down what the Lord had called you to do. One of the things is that the spirit of Absalom rises up in rebellion to tear down the vision because it wants to draw glory to self. And when you think about the self-glorified person in your church that's always looking for the applause of man and looking for your applause, dear pastor, when they do something, those are the ones that you need to be very, very careful of, because the spirit of Absalom will stand at the city gate. Remember, Absalom stood at the city gate and the entrance of the city, and what he did was, as the people came in to hear the king's judgment on matters that concerned them, what Absalom did, he stopped them at the gate before they got to the king. Watch for those who stop people at the gate, those who stop people before they get to you. What they will do is they will try to prevent people from getting to your heart because they want to draw the glory to themselves. So Absalom stood at the gate, he stopped the people, and he said, if I was king, this is what I would do. So what was Absalom doing? He was saying that I could do a better job than the pastor who is leading this congregation. Remember, God called you. Never dethrone yourself by allowing the spirit of Absalom to continue flaunting their false wisdom to draw the crowds to themselves. So watch for that spirit. Be careful of the Absaloms in your ministry, because you have to take authority and take charge over every spirit that's trying to dominate and infiltrate your vision. Remember, God has called you, not man. Then what else does Absalom do? Absalom stands there and he begins to talk about the vision that God had given the man and woman of God. And what Absalom will do, he would begin to make up stories and bring it to your ears, saying that people are asking, when is he going to preach? When is he going to be in charge? When is he going to be the one in authority in certain departments? And what they're doing is they're trying their best to get into a position of authority and influence at a higher level so that they can bring you down at a much more accelerated rate than you could ever imagine. So watch for that spirit, drawing glory to self, elevating their self, looking for the applause of man, and always coming to you and causing you to think that whatever they're doing is worthy of applause, is worthy of a reward. And so you got to be very careful, dear pastor, of the spirit of Absalom that comes to frustrate your ministry. Get rid of them, or get them to step down, bring them to accountability and discipline in the early stages of the rebellion, so that you can have a smooth sailing ministry as you deal with all of these little challenges. Remember that ministry is only difficult when you allow people to frustrate the vision that God had set before you, and they are on assignment from the enemy. They might seem like they are for you, but be careful, because the lips that sings your praises today could be the same lips that turn against you and betray you tomorrow. Have a fabulous ministry life as we continue to encourage you. Remember, subscribe to the Excellence Coach on YouTube. We are here to help. We're just throwing out ideas. We don't know everything, but I'm just throwing out ideas with my 20 plus, almost 2 decades, over 2 decades of ministry, trying to help you. So subscribe to the Excellence Coach on YouTube so that we can partner together and hear what you have to say and what answers you're looking for. Thank you so much for being a part of our lives. We love you and appreciate you.